This is Biscoff mug cake and it was made in the microwave in just under 90 seconds. It's a moist cake and made with just 4 ingredients. Let's get started with melting this Biscoff spread in the microwave, which means just heating it up for 10 or 20 seconds to help it mix better with other ingredients. Now that this is ready, let's take a mug and put flour and baking powder to that. A quick stir to combine them, and now it's time to add liquid to that, which is milk. Give it a quick stir as it could be lumpy. And now it's time to add tasty Biscoff spread. Again, quick stir, but this is the final time to help everything get incorporated nicely. Scrape the sides and now it goes in the microwave oven where it will cook for just 1 minute and 20 seconds, which could vary from oven to oven. My Biscoff mug cake is all ready. I'm putting some extra dollop on top and finally some whipped cream, which I always like to put on my mug cake. An easy moist mug cake is all ready with Biscoff flavor.